that I am the same. You're staring at me, but you cannot see that everything seems like in a dream. If I dig in my head when I'm out of bed, I got movies on my mind. Movies on my mind. Movies on my mind. Movies on my mind. And when I get high and walk around, I'm always aware of every sound. Can hardly believe the stories I see. And sometimes I hear people saying things like, please let me be guilty of this at least. What have you done? Was it so wrong? I got movies on my mind. Movies on my mind. Movies on my mind. Movies on my mind. I got movies on my mind.